went to an industry event last week called Digital Transformation Perth, and they run these regular events, and I went to one that was run by the RAC. So in Western Australia it's called the RAC. It's like RACV, RACQ, and RMA. It's the motor vehicle body, but also offer a whole bunch of other insurance. And the guest speaker there was from the RAC at this event. He's Bobby Patel. He's the head of data and analytics, and I've worked with RAC before, so they are one of my clients, full disclosure. And Bobby was talking about the way that they are very, very data positive and AI positive in the organization. He had plenty of examples of how they're using data and AI through every part of their organization. And in the Q&A at the end, somebody asked him a question about, is there anything that he wouldn't use data and AI for? And he said this: we won't use AI for that because it goes against our mission. And that he was talking about is the call centers. So if you're a customer or a member of RAC, and I am, so I've experienced this, if you call one of their call centers, they have a call center in Perth, staffed completely by people. Now, the people use AI behind the scenes so they can get information about the customer, they can get information about the policies while they're on the phone to the customer. But Bobby said we would never replace the people in the call center with AI. And he said the reason it goes against our vision is part of our mission is to be an integral part of supporting the Western Australian community, because we're RAC based in WA. And if we were to put people out of work, that would go against that mission. It's not about the business, it's also about part of our mission. And I reckon that's a really good way to start thinking about your governance. I might sometime in the future do a presentation all about governance and AI, but I reckon the way to get started when you start thinking about AI is to go, what are our values? And then how can we make sure that everything we do with AI is consistent with and aligned with those values?